Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your touchscreen not responding on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin. First, there are a couple of issues that could result in touchscreen not responding, but I will go with main two. A, you have frozen phone. Maybe you're just using it and it just died, or something else happened. It's hard to tell. And B, it's just not interfering with you. Like you click it and nothing happens. And the number second is probably because of a screen protector or like overall dust on the phone. In order to fix those, I would advise you to remove the screen protector itself and simply clean your phone with a microfiber cloth. So I'm going to take my device now. I will put it like this. I will take my microfiber cloth and I will get it a nice little rub. Of course, you don't really have to use any kind of water, like I strongly advise you to not use water at all, but just have a nice little rub, a nice little clean, and beautiful. We can even see ourselves in here. So, let's try it, and well, the screen looks fine. But what about the first problem, like the screen froze to death? Well, there's only one thing that can save you, and this is a force reboot. And you can perform a force reboot by simply picking up your phone, locating the power button, and pressing and holding it. You probably won't see this feature since your screen is frozen, so let's keep it going. And as you can see, by just doing that, we have successfully killed our phone and reborn it once again. And this is called reboot, of course, I'm joking, but basically this should fix any issues with your touchscreen not responding, because this will basically refresh everything, including the screen, and hopefully this should start working again. However, if it's still not working, I would advise you to just take your Redmi phone and go to some sort of Redmi service or other phone service, because there is a very high chance that you might have encountered some sort of physical bug or a physical issue, like maybe you have accidentally thrown your phone, or maybe it has fallen and something went wrong. It's really hard to tell, but from the point of the software itself, that's all about how can I help you. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.